Hey everybody, this is 𝗂𝗶𝘁, the Chief Content Officer with the Food Institute, coming at you from Toronto and the 𝗟𝗲𝘁 Canada event. We're going to speak with 𝗖𝗂 from 𝗖𝗂 Real Foods. 𝗖𝗂, tell us a little bit about 𝗖𝗂 Real Foods and what brought you guys to 𝗟𝗲𝘁 Canada.
Hi Kelly, we're here to exhibit 𝗖𝗂. We're out of Malaysia. We're a food and beverage company, primarily focusing on premium clean food out of Malaysia.
And 𝗖𝗂 has a lot of really innovative, healthier for you products. Could you please show me some of those?
Sure, let's walk around. We just launched these ingredients in FHA in Singapore 2 weeks ago. It's called Gold. Why? Because we changed the process normally we used. We bake it, we put it with olive oil, we put it with 𝗂𝗏𝘁, which is a vitamin E. So it becomes a functional food. So enjoying your food can be healthier because we believe that food is medicinal, and clean food is the way to go basically.
Absolutely, and I think if you look at some of the unique elements of 𝗖𝗂 Real Food, I think it's really interesting that, for example, 𝗖𝗂 Real Food has no artificial coloring. Why is that important to your brand?
We believe in a food that speaks for itself. A natural flavor, an onion should taste like an onion, a fish should taste like a fish, and not artificially enhanced or added to it. Because a lot of food out there that claim to be cleaned and healthy, but when you look at the ingredients, it starts to be like a bit iffy. That's not a food that you would want to have with the family. So this is a food that you can trust, you can bring to the families, and we bake it, we make it with love. There's our own facility. We don't have a third party that we source locally. We try to practice it, to support the local business as well. So those are the principles that at 𝗖𝗂 we believe it's very strongly.
And I've heard that 𝗖𝗂 has a very innovative paste product. Could you tell me a little bit more about that?
Sure. So we wanted to showcase a product that, for me personally, when you live overseas, you want to recreate the flavors that you're familiar with, home flavors. So you need stuff like chilies and lemongrass and ginger, which you can't get it fresh. It's impossible to get. So we want to showcase in this market that we have the ability to do it for the consumers, either for the HoReCa or for the retailers. This is what we can do for the market. It's something that I think any consumers that love Asian food would need this, and they know this with the right ingredients, it will make the dishes more punchy and definitely delicious. So so that's one of it. And then we also have, for example, this sachet. We just released it in conjunction with the same one that we had the Gold in a single serving. Especially kombu, for example, it has calcium, which is nori and kombu. So for children, younger age children, this is something that you want to give them to snack instead of a chocolate and other stuff.
And when 𝗖𝗂 Real Food comes to an event like 𝗟𝗲𝘁 Canada, who are some of the buyers you're looking to reach out to?
We want to reach out to, of course, distributors, big retailers. In Malaysia, we're positioned mid to high in the market because the premium ingredients that we sourced and we used. So here we want to find private labelers, HoReCa, restaurants and hotels, and of course the general public. If you can reach out directly, that'll be great as well.
All right, 𝗂𝗶𝘁 signing off from Toronto at 𝗟𝗲𝘁 Canada. Go check out 𝗖𝗂 Real Food.